Hi guys, welcome to Just Sophia. So guys, today we are talking about small business ideas that you can start in Kenya, guys. So Kenyans on this channel, oi! But anyway, guys, this is just a topic. Don't shy away from trying these businesses wherever you are, as long as it is available. You can try it anywhere in the world. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, and personal development. Please click the red button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and click the notification bell so that you can join the family. So guys, one of the best small business ideas that you can start in Kenya or anywhere else is starting an Airbnb business. So guys, I did a video with my friend. I hope you watched it. If you didn't, it would appear here. How she started her Airbnb business. She told us how she started from her own house, a bedsitter in Nairobi. And right now she has grown so much, guys. I'm telling you this because I am a witness. I have seen her grow. Right now she has several houses. She has 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, 5 bedrooms, and close to 10 houses actually. So it is a good business because it doesn't require you to be there 24/7. So this is something that you can also do as part-time. Now it has been made easier because you just need to rent out a house and then furnish it, and then voila, you start looking for clients who will occupy the house and pay you, and then you'll pay the rent, the landlord. So if that is something that you would like to check out, first watch that video, and then now you can get it from here. You can take it from there. So number 2 is tutoring. If you are good in something specific, like let's say those who are good in mathematics or those who are good in languages, you can become a tutor. This is something that you can do online. You can also do offline. Actually, right now in Kenya, we are about to close schools, and so many students will be requiring these services. So if you are a teacher, then you can do this even when the schools are closed. You can start from your neighborhood. You look for clients from your neighborhood, from your friends, from your neighboring schools. You can also get clients from Facebook. You can advertise your services from Facebook. I have actually seen people who have started already to advertise their services on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. So make sure that you try it out if you are specialized in a certain area. So let us move to number 3, guys. Another business idea that you can start in Kenya is sell second-hand clothes. This is a very good business, by the way, guys. First and foremost, it doesn't require you to have a large capital. And then secondly, these clothes are readily available. And then third, these clothes are like people prefer them to new ones. Now, let me tell you that a friend of mine sources these clothes from, if you are in Kenya and in Nairobi, you know about Think Twice. These shops that sell second-hand clothes. So she can actually go there in the morning on the day of the opening and get them at 500 bob. That is Kenya shillings. And then she will come and sell me at 1,000 bob. That's 100% profit, guys. So you can also go to markets like Gikomba, source for them. If you have a good eye, if you have you are able to notice fine things, this is a business that you should consider doing. Go and buy them and then put the price a little bit higher, sell them to your friends, and then you can also take pictures and put them on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, and you'll be able to get more clients. I really thank God for the internet, guys. Right now, by the way, you shouldn't just don't just rely on your friends and family as your customers. You can get customers from so many places. So make sure you make use of social media. So that is all about selling secondhand clothes. Another business that you can start in Kenya is to do taxi business. famously known as Uber. Of course, Uber is just a company in the taxi business. We also have Bolt. I know there are others. You can research if you are interested in doing this particular business. By there, I was so happy to see a lady Uber driver. I actually didn't even know that they existed. When I was in town, I requested for one, and I was so shocked to see her. She actually told me that she does it part time. So after job, she has an 8 to 5. So after work, she does her Uber until 9 p.m. She also does it during the weekends. You see, you will not get rich by doing that, but you'll definitely get an extra coin in your pockets, which is all that we want right now, right? Yeah, so you can do an Uber business. Of course, you need a car that is in good condition. You need a valid driver's license, and then you also need a smartphone to register to the particular service, whether it is a Uber or Bolt or any other. So that is it about Uber. Another thing that you can do, another small business idea that you can start in Kenya is start a blog. This one, by the way, it's not even, you don't even need to be in Kenya. You can start this anywhere in the world as long as you have a strong internet connection. You are a good writer, you can write, and or rather you enjoy writing, and then you also have something to share with the world. So if you are a mother, for example, you can start a blog in the motherhood niche. If you are a tech person, you can start a blog in the tech niche. If you are a homemaker, you can start a blog in the home improvement niche. The thing with a blog is that you'll be earning from it for a very long time, but you need to be patient because it takes time to pick up. So once you have amassed a good number of visitors in a day, you can register your blog to different ad companies like AdThrive or Google Ads or Ezoic and many others, and then earn from advertisements. You can also earn from affiliate marketing by selling other people's products on your blog. So that is how you can earn from a blog. It is one of the best, if you ask me. So the last business idea that you can start in Kenya, guys, or anywhere that you are in the world, is becoming a mobile beauty therapist. Now, convenience is what we want in today's world where everyone is busy. So now, as a beauty therapist, you will be called anywhere in someone's residence or place of work to come and make their hair or give them a face beat or make their nails and things like that. So this kind of business is actually a good one, if you ask me, because now you won't be paying rent. So that particular expense, you will scrap it off, and then you can start this business with your close friends and relatives, and then grow with word of mouth. Of course, if you are doing a good job, you'll definitely get referrals, and good business in referral business is the best business. You can also advertise your services on social media and let people know that you are available on specific days if you are doing this on part time and specific times. So those are the 6 business ideas that you can start in Kenya or anywhere else. I hope you have enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. If you haven't already, I do how to make money online videos, personal finance and personal development. Please click the red button to join the family. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.